See the onion plants. The farmer harvests with care, but this is only the start. Here you will also learn how to plant and grow onion step by step. Small onion plants are growing in the field. The farmer should keep the soil light and moist. Do not let weeds or too much water damage the roots. The onion plants are now bigger and stronger. The farmer should keep the field clean, let the sun reach every plant. The farmer removes weeds from the onion field. This helps the plant grow stronger and healthy. Do not let weeds take the nutrition from the soil. The onion bulbs are now fully developing. The farmer should reduce watering to keep the bulb dry. This is the sign that harvest time is near. The farmer binds the onion stalks carefully. This helps the bulb to dry and grow fully. Do not water the field after bending the stalk. The farmer checks the fully matured onions. He lifts a few bulbs to see if they are ready. When the skin is dry and firm, it is time to harvest. After a week of care and patience, the farmer finally harvests the onion. Each bulb is a result of hard work and hope. The woman farmer cleans the harvested onion. He cuts the roots and leaves to make them ready for storage. Each clean bulbs show the true beauty of hard work. After drying under the sun, the onions are ready for the market. From the farmer's hand to people's table, the journey is complete.